trying to carry this heavy load, but I have decided I'm gonna keep on toiling. I am so glad that Jesus knows when there is trouble in your home, when deep down in your heart you know for yourself that you've done no wrong. Why won't you take it to Jesus and He'll take control?